In this video, we're going to install the Wrecking Ball SMS Notifier, so let's get to it. Remember, in our notepad, we had copied from FileZilla, we had copied the URL of the directory that we're going to use to install. So we'll copy that to our clipboard and then go into our browser, paste that in, and we'll start the process. Read through your terms and conditions and then click on accept and proceed to next. In here we will for HostGator it'll be localhost, so we'll just go ahead and I think it's already memorized in there, so we'll put in localhost for the host name, and then we'll have to go in and get our username and everything from the database that we had copied. Here's the database and the username, and the way I do that is I just go ahead and post in the username and I paste in the database, and then I go back to get the password. That's the password, and then we'll just come in and paste it in, and then check connection. Always check the connection, make sure and it's connected successfully so we can move on to the next step. And in here we'll put in our name and email address and phone number. So my name is Phil and last name is Mouse, and for now we'll just put in phil@gmail.com, and the password will be Phil, and the phone number we'll put that in and then click on next. And then in here we'll put in the account SID, the auth token that we got. Those we got from Twilio. We'll put in the keyword, and for this one I'm going to put in join, and then this is the path of the application. Automatically puts it in there, and then the Twilio number that we got from Twilio. So I'm going to go ahead and put those three in, and then I'll come back. Now, when we clicked on next, it took us to this congratulations for successful. I mean, it's just that easy to get this installed and up and going. So we'll need to go back into FileZilla, and we'll go in here and we'll delete this install directory. Just delete that, and then once that's finished, just wait and make sure all that gets finished. There's just a few files in there. And then once that's done, then we come back in here and click here to log in. And it remembers me in here, but you'll put in your username and your password that your email address and your password that you remembered to put in here, and then you'll click on login. And it'll bring you to this page here with your settings, your campaign SMS, your reports, your logout, and your upgrade. And it'll have your name and email address that you put in there. It'll also have your phone number that you entered on the page with the Twilio ID and everything. And so that is your install, and then we'll go to some setup and some training on how to use the Wrecking Ball SMS Notifier.